Now, you're a lot bigger than Amber, correct? Physically?
I wouldn't say that.
Do you have any spare change? Oh, no, sorry, I don't. Amber Heard? What happened to you? After I lost the court case and my dog stepped on a bee, I never worked again and now I'm homeless. Oh, that's terrible. Well, see ya. Wait. Do you have any money? I have a 20. Could you donate that? You know what? I'll pledge it to you. I'll use that and donate synonymously. Really, me too. What are you going to use the money for anyway? Food? Sure. Oh my God, he hit me! Nobody hit you. Ever. Goodbye, Amber. Hey, wait, where do you live? I want to shit in your bed.
Mrs. Heard, do you watch The Kardashians? I use my remote to log into Hulu every Wednesday at 9. No, Miss Heard. Do you watch The Kardashians? When I log into Hulu, that is what's playing. No, Miss Heard. Yes or no? Sorry, what was the question? Do you watch The Kardashians? Yes or no? I am familiar with the show. That's Mr. Depp's Hulu account, isn't it? Excuse me? You are using Mr. Depp's Hulu account. No, Ms. Vasquez. I use my email and sign myself up for an account. That's how that works. That is his account, and you're still using it. That is incorrect. I have rules on how castmates can talk to me. Objection, Your Honor. She has no castmates. I use my platform to advocate for others that don't have the platform that I have. Objection, Your Honor. She has 300 followers. I want my life back. Objection, Your Honor. Relevance. Nobody knew her before this trial. I don't
Objection, Your Honor. Hearsay.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder.
Objection, Your Honor. That is a Destiny's Child song.
I miss my dog.
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance. Lack of foundation. Speculation.
Miss Heard, you testified that Defendant's Exhibit 512 was taken in the downstairs apartment of Penthouse 5 on May 15th. Well, the main apartment is Penthouse 3. Downstairs is where I have all my paintings because I'm an artist, and it's also where I go to practice my acting. It is your testimony that this damage was done from the May 15th incident. I am not sure from which incident this is a picture of. Even though they were asking questions about the May 15th incident and the defendant admitted this picture into evidence, I cannot say what the defendant did and didn't do. You are the defendant. You, Ms. Heard, testified that this picture is evidence from the May 15th incident. I just need to orient myself. I don't know if this picture was submitted in reference to this incident. You, the defendant, testified that it was. I do see that in the testimony.
Amber Heard could be facing bankruptcy over the $8.35 million that she has to pay Johnny Depp in damages. Her lead attorney, that lady right there, appeared on the Today Show Thursday and said that Amber absolutely does not have the money to pay Depp. Now, Amber does have some time. She has 30 years to pay off this damages bill, but her team is going to appeal the verdict, or at the very least, try to get that number reduced. 30 years might not even be enough. Amber might have to sell off assets to cover this bill or have her wages garnished from any future acting gigs, which right now have pretty much completely dried up. She could declare bankruptcy before paying this bill, but that's not really gonna solve her problems because of some kind of complicated bankruptcy law. She's still gonna be on the hook for those damages. Now, Johnny Depp could step in here and kind of save the day by deciding to waive the damages, meaning he wouldn't execute the judgment. Now, Johnny has said from Jump Street, see what I did there, that this entire thing has not been about money for him. It's been about clearing his name, which at this point he has done. So waiving the judgment, frankly, could be a really good PR move for him.
Curiosity has finally gotten the better of me, and I finally have done a deep dive on the UK case, so I will explain. First of all, and most importantly, Amber Heard was not a party to the UK case. She did not win jack shit. She parades that judgment around as if it were a victory on her behalf, because in that case, the son was basically in the position of having to defend her allegations that Johnny had abused her because they needed to prove that there was substantial truth to the claims that they had made in their article. So, in the UK case, Johnny Depp sued the Sun for libel based on an article that they posted that was titled, "Gone Potty, How Can J.K. Rowling Be Genuinely Happy Casting Wife-Beater Johnny Depp in the New Fantastic Beasts film?" Obviously, the problem there is the fact that they called him a wife-beater. The article was written by Dan Wooten, who was also sued in the UK case. Notably, the Sun case took place before Amber Heard's op-ed was ever even published. So the events that are relevant to the article that the Sun published are like her filing the TRO and all of that hoopla. In the UK case, the judge ended up ruling in the Sun's favor and found that the allegations of abuse were substantially true. So it's very unusual that Johnny Depp was able to pull out a win on a defamation claim in the US, which is notoriously hard to win, as opposed to the UK, where it is traditionally much easier to win these types of claims. The biggest and most obvious reason why Johnny Depp was able to win in his US case is because he was trying the case to a jury, not a judge. In fact, one of the reasons that Judge Penny gave in her decision not to allow Amber Heard to use the UK case as a shield to effectively throw out Johnny's case against her in the US was the fact that the US guarantees a jury trial in these cases, whereas the decision in the UK court system is made by a single judge. She also noted the huge substantive differences between the free speech laws in the US versus the UK, as well as the procedural differences in the way that we carry out our trials in the US. Anyway, basically, Johnny lost the case in the UK because the judge found that 12 of the 14 claims of Johnny Depp abusing Amber Heard had substantial truth. But remember, the Sun was the defendant in that case, not Amber Heard. In fact, when Judge Penny again assessed Amber's request to use the UK judgment as a shield in the US case, she said, "You and the Sun are not the same." I hope that helps.